You might recognize this channel. They've garnered billions of views. According to Social Blade, they're estimated to earn about $5,000 daily. Though it's a rough figure, it's evident they're raking in substantial profits. They primarily share straightforward lo-fi beats accompanied by a static image. And they aren't alone in this success. Other channels, such as Chill Hop Music, also enjoy similar triumphs. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own lo-fi YouTube channel that can be monetized using AI. Not only that, but I will also show you how you can combine it with other money-making methods. So let's go. All right, we're aiming to dive into this venture and generate income. So what's essential? A YouTube channel and unique content. I'll guide you through crafting authentic content, and I'll also share techniques on diversifying revenue streams for your lo-fi channel. Beyond YouTube monetization, there's potential in affiliate marketing, sponsored community posts, and brand collaborations. To kick things off, let's brainstorm a name for our YouTube channel. I trust you know the right tools for that. We will use ChatGPT. After entering our prompt, we take the name that sounds good to us among the options. I will choose Lo-Fi Dream Waves. Let's take it to the next level. Now we'll craft the background image. I have two methods in mind, one using a premium ad tool and another that's entirely free. Let's delve into the first method employing the ad tool named Midjourney. Regrettably, it's no longer available for free. Their basic package comes at $10 monthly, but an annual commitment reduces it to $8 monthly. Significantly, it provides a commercial license, a vital feature for YouTube monetization. Trust me, Midjourney is a game changer. Before we open Midjourney, we're going to take a screenshot of one of the lo-fi channel's videos. We are going to use that image as a reference. Just press the Windows key and then print screen, and now the image will be saved to your screenshots folder. Next, launch Discord and navigate to the official Midjourney server. Make sure you can see the member list, then spot the Midjourney bot. Click on this bot, then choose Add to Server. Pay attention and mimic my steps to ensure it's added to your Discord server properly. Once done, head back to your server and you'll spot the freshly added Midjourney bot on the right side. Now we're good to go. We won't be typing prompts manually to create images. Instead, I'll show you how Midjourney autonomously takes care of it for us. Start by typing a slash followed by describe and then press the spacebar. A box will pop up. Recall the image we captured earlier, drag that image into the provided box and hit enter. The Midjourney bot then jumps into action, analyzing the image to craft the most fitting prompt. Observe, it's generated 4 apt prompts for our image description. Let's use the Imagine All option to create all 4. Give it a moment, I'll fast forward this part for convenience. Voila, the results are splendid. Let's enhance our favorite image. Simply select the image, then hit Open in Browser. From there, right-click and save it directly to your device. Next up is our second approach, utilizing a complementary AI image generator. Leonardo AI stands out due to its provision of a commercial license for each image generated, paving the way for monetization. Navigate to the Leonardo AI webpage. You can either register or simply log in, as I'm doing. Once logged in, pick an image model tailored to your preferences. I'd suggest the Anime Pastel Dream model for our purpose. Insert your desired prompt and the outputs is revealed. Feel free to use this image as you see fit. Now let's dive into crafting our beat, and unsurprisingly, we'll be leveraging artificial intelligence for this. The process is straightforward. I'll introduce you to 2 distinct AI tools, letting you pick your favorite. Our first stop is Moobert. Click on Create a Track to start. Here you have the option to type in a prompt, select a genre, mood, or even an activity. For our purpose, let's pick the lo-fi genre. And for the track length, we'll set it just shy of a minute, exactly 59 seconds. All we have to do now is click Generate Track. As our track is in the works, let's glance over the pricing tiers. Moobert offers 4 distinct plans. A complimentary option, the Create plan at $14/month, the Pro plan priced at $39/month, and a business tier for $199/month. The Creator plan seems reasonable, allowing you to craft up to 500 tracks monthly without any obligatory attribution. However, if you're hesitant about spending right now, consider starting with the free version and leveraging affiliate links for revenue. As your channel gains traction and begins to monetize, you might contemplate investing in a premium plan. All right, enough about finances. Let's see if our ad-generated lo-fi beat is all set. There we have it. Let's give it a listen. Impressive, right? Proceed by hitting the download button. At this point, you'll be prompted to set up an account. Let's quickly link it with my Google account. Here's a reminder that by opting for a plan, you can monetize the AI-composed beat. Once logged in, navigate back to our freshly generated track and click Download again. This step is crucial. Ensure you input your YouTube channel's link. This is to ensure they handle any copyright claims for your content. Oh, and just a side note, if you're inclined to produce another beat, simply select Generate Similar. Voila, a brand new beat is at your disposal. It's as simple as that. Okay, I didn't like the remix one, but you can try your luck too. Next, let's delve into the second ad beat creation tool named Ava. Let's first review its pricing structure. They offer 3 plans. Free plan, this allows only 3 downloads with tracks maxing out at 3 minutes, but it's copyright free. However, crediting is mandatory. Standard plan, here the copyright still remains with IA. You're entitled to 15 downloads and possess limited monetization rights. To be frank, I'm uncertain about the specifics of this, but let's proceed. Pro plan, this seems most enticing. It grants you full copyright ownership, monetization rights, and a generous allowance of 300 downloads monthly. But if we juxtapose this with Mubert, the latter would be my choice. Remember, all the necessary links can be found in the description below, so don't forget to have a look. Having gathered our content pieces like the background visual and the lo-fi beat, our next step is to amalgamate them into a cohesive video. For this task, while there are numerous video editing tools available, we'll employ CapCut. It's user-friendly and, importantly, free of charge. If you haven't already installed it, visit their official website to download. Upon launching CapCut, select Create New Video. From here, it's a matter of dragging and dropping. Place the background image and lo-fi beat onto the timeline. Ensure the image stretches to match the audio's duration. And just like that, you're done. When you're done, just click on Export. Choose where you want to save your file, choice resolution, and then click Export. Our video is ready to be uploaded to YouTube. Embarking on your YouTube LoFi journey, immediate monetization might not be feasible. However, an alternative avenue to commence earnings is through affiliate links, which can be seamlessly integrated into your video description. I'll walk you through a couple of platforms that offer lucrative affiliate link opportunities. First up is ClickBank. After registering, they'll be inundated with a plethora of offers to select from. Another handy platform is Digistore24. The sign-up process is straightforward, and its operational dynamics are akin to ClickBank. Utilizing these platforms can kickstart your revenue stream even before YouTube monetization kicks in. More importantly, though, is the way your channel looks, your channel identity. Having a consistent theme and identity across your channel will help you to see an increase in your subscribers quickly. We're going to use Canva for that. It's free to use and also has a 30-day free pro trial. So go to the search bar and search for YouTube logo. Now click on Create Blank. Next, just drop our image we generated earlier here, resize it a bit, and then click on Text and add a fitting font. Design these parts according to your own channel and imagination. I'm going fast so as not to waste your time. Now let's craft the channel banner. Head over to Home and search for YouTube channel banner. Opt for blank. Here, insert the same image we utilized previously. Conveniently, we can replicate the font from our earlier project and use it here. Now, under the Elements section, search for graphics that align with our theme. Let's say, this musical note sticker, for instance. Perfect. Take the finalized banner onto your computer. Having established our channel's visual identity, our next step is designing an eye-catching thumbnail for our video. Consistency in thumbnails aids in brand recognition, so we'll stick to Canva for this. Search for YouTube thumbnail and pick blank. Again, use the same background image. Replicate the font from our prior creations and position it in the thumbnail's corner, symbolizing our logo. By selecting the font, duplication is a cinch. Center the duplicated text and modify its content to relax study. That's a wrap. Remember to save the finished thumbnail to your device. It's time to upload your video, marking the inception of your LoFi Beats journey on YouTube. And that's all there is to it. The best part? You don't need any prior expertise. The process is quite straightforward. So what's next? Always bear in mind that consistency is paramount. You can't reap rewards from efforts not sown. So continue producing content, but above all, relish the journey. When you truly enjoy your craft, everything unfolds more organically. Dive in, have fun, and who knows, you might even earn a handsome sum in the process. Let's review the masterpiece we just crafted. Catch you in the next tutorial.